Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to use Zima Dental ultrasonic pod cleaner. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you can see all the steps on your screen. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to fill amount of water which can dip your you can set, you can very you can properly. Okay, and when you fill water you just need to simply insert your dental set into the pot, and you need to place, you need to turn on power button, and you need to cover the lid. Okay, and once you cover the lid you need to leave it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can remove your set, and you can see, you can rinse your device, rinse your set, and you will see that your device, or you can your tooth set is really good, and you can see lots of, you can sparkling in your set, and you will see each and everything is very clean. Okay, so this is the way by which you can use this product. Okay, now if you have any experience with this product, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a very, you can say informative thing. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you soon in the next video.